Hey guys, Cal Stone here. Gonna be telling you about this vintage soda machine. It's an Ideal Solutions Model A55B slider. I'll show you why it's called slider machine. If you see the directions there, you probably start to figure it out. Let me see if I can get this bottle in here first of all. Should have planned that out. Just a minute. Test it with the Cruise Light bottle here. There we go. Okay, so still works with modern bottles, but here you load up your whole machine like that, and it'd be refrigerated. And what you do is you put your you can open and close the lid all you want, but as soon as you put your nickel in it, or a dime, it's nickel or dime, and then we give you 5 cents change. It releases the mechanism to be able to slide the bottle up out of that. Okay. Otherwise it's locked and you are not getting the bottle out of there. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty neat old thing. Came from my wife's dad, my father-in-law, rest his soul. But obviously I salvaged this from a while back. Actually just trying to get it up and running. So there's a couple of things to do with that. I ended up getting this door opened up. This is what's called a pre-cooler underneath. So you can preload a whole bunch of, fill that with bottles. As you can see, there's little circle marks inside of it from bottles being in it in the past. Has a neat instruction, manufacturing, everything about the machine here on the inside of the door. And if I could find the dang... Here we go. Yeah, so this goes in it's the change collector, coin collector. Found the keys in way deep inside of the machine. There's some old coins in there, so that was really neat. Nothing really pre-60s though. Anyways, this thing was sitting in the machine, so I had to fish it out from the top because I couldn't open the door yet because it's the key for the door. Anyhow, the door was closed. You stick this in, it just goes to a bolt. Okay, there, I got it latched, tightened, and the more you tighten it, okay, it'll close, seal all the way. Okay, and then you gotta hand crank it back open, and just backs this bolt here out of the nut there. So yeah, anyhow, the real trick here a lot to do down here. So this is our compressor here. Okay, then we have our fan with the fan motor. Hopefully the fan motor works. Then we got our radiator fins over there that the gas or the air flows through and disperses the heat off of. Okay, so a lot of electrical things, I think, with this. I've been watching some other videos. Sounds like this is a big part that splits power off to other things, and as you can see, this wire here is just garbage. Things get all brittle and dried up. You know, this is the wire I was talking about. Hopefully there's no leaks and the line looks good and there's still refrigeration in there, Freon, coolant, whatever you call it. Here's our thermostat unit, temperature adjuster. Get some light on that. Okay, you can move it colder. It says defrost. I have it set to off right now. That's the drain there in the middle for condensation. And then here's our coolant line Goes back up there around from the compressor here. There's a lot to learn here, different things, how this works, but it's fairly simple. Vintage refrigeration unit. So I will be working on this and we'll keep you updated. This is the machine from the back. Never really showed you the whole scope of it here, but okay. Anyhow, yeah, so I'll keep you updated and we'll see how it goes. Keep on rocking.